Hello, welcome to iConnect. I'm Geneva Galos, an entrepreneur and with doing iConnect full time. Okay, I believe if you're watching this video because gusto mong malaman kung paano maging part ng community by just having your 2,000 pesos capital. And thank you for giving us a few minutes of your time. Now, let me start by sharing to you my slide. And before that, of course, ipakilala ko muna sa inyo yung mga tao na nasa likod ng ating company. Okay, so here we go. Our president, Mr. Jonathan Nueva. So kumita na rin siya sa MLM industry ng more than 150 million at dahil dyan, from general merchandise reseller, naging brand owner na rin siya to a various products. And of course, franchisor din siya ng isang ice cream shop. And with our chairman, negosyante, of course, um, at the age of 31, grabe, bilyonaryo siya. And binansagan na rin siya na AI and e-commerce expert because he started his e-commerce journey and success during pandemic. So since 2020 hanggang sa, alam mo na, very overwhelming yung nangyari sa kanyang success kaya nakapag-expand siya ng various businesses like, of course, mob cars, so auto distribution or car distributions from low-end to high-end. May-ari din siya ng villa, may-ari din siya ng 150 million worth na events place, resorts in Tagaytay, Antipolo, Batangas, and even Manila. And a business expansion of e-commerce in Dubai. And here we go. So, ngayon, pag-usapan natin ano ang iConnect. So, ang iConnect po is apat na malaking industriya pinagsama sa isang sistema. So, meron tayong distribution, product distribution, meron tayong branding, meron tayong franchising, and meron tayong AI-powered na e-commerce. So, ibig sabihin, we distribute high-demand winning products while also partnering with different brand owners or CEOs. Our brand of coffee shop, which is Connect Over Coffee, na kung saan, okay, so soon to be open na yung mga branches, of course, especially in main office natin sa Shaw Boulevard, Santa Rosa, Laguna, Iloilo, and Bulacan. So, and bakit e-commerce ang pinasok natin? Because today, e-commerce has created thousands of successful entrepreneurs because of yung mga ino-offer ng e-commerce. Ano yon? So, syempre, wider market reach. Hindi mo na kailangang magbayad ng bills or operational cost kasi online tayo. Siyempre, ang availability niya is 24/7. So, kahit tulog ka, gumagana at tumatakbo ang negosyo mo. Growing online buying habits. And of course, data-driven ang marketing natin, marketing decisions natin. Unlimited ang online selling opportunities natin. So, especially instead of waiting your customers no to visit your physical stores, so we can effectively promote it online anytime. Now, dahil AI dropshipping powered siya, so this is one of the biggest advantage of iConnect because with AI dropshipping, you don't need to maintain inventory. So, ibig sabihin, hindi mo na kailangang gumastos ng dagdag na kapital for inventories. Now, all we need to do is we sell by posting our products online, and iConnect will fulfill the facilitation of deliveries, and customer will just receive the product. So, how does AI dropshipping works? Paano yon? So, kapag part ka na ng community ng iConnect, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong link. So, ibig sabihin yung link na yan yung online shop natin. So, kopyahin mo lang yung extreme left position mo or extreme right position mo, or either download mo lang yung QR code at i-post mo together with the creatives or posters or product na kumbaga kine-create mo. So, creatives yon, okay? And then, the company will facilitate the product ordering and drop shipping, and of course, distribute it to your own customer at their doorstep. So, all we need to do, no, is to check our income sa ating portal via sa ating laptop or computer. And then, ang maganda dito is real time yung encashment natin. Basta umabot lang ng 1,500 minimum. So, pwedeng-pwede mo nang in-encash. So, kapag nag-encash ka ngayon, maya-maya, andyan na, available na yung mga income na in-encash mo. So, these are the proof of encashments na kumita. So, dito, so iba't iba, no? iba't ibang destinasyon at siyempre iba't ibang personalidad. Ang part ng community natin na kumita ng malaki, nag-uumpisa, so nag-umpisa sa maliit, kumita ng malaki. Okay? Operational na rin ang ating main office, which is in Shaw Boulevard, Mandaluyong. As our official office, our training support and community events are held. And this is open to all. So guys, be part of the history. So kailangan part ka na ng community para nang sa ganon, magiging part ka ng history kasi mangyayari na ang ating soft launching na pinakahihintay ng karamihan. Okay, pag-usapan natin paano mag-join or paano maging part ng community ng iConnect. Siyempre, sa lahat ng negosyo may kapital, di ba? So, siyempre, depende sa kapital mo, malaki man o maliit. Okay, pero ganun pa man, pwede ka mag-umpisa ng 2,000, pero papakita pa rin natin yung pinakamalaking kapital na may pinakamagandang privilege din or income opportunity. So, pwede ka mag-umpisa as dropshipping partner na kung saan ang kapital mo is 270,000. Pero ang makukuha mong negosyo or produkto is 619,000 more than. Pero kasi ang 65% ang lifetime discount mo. So kung hindi mo naman kaya yung 217,000, meron naman tayong elite distributor na kung saan 4-star siya. So ang kapital mo is 105,000 pero dahil 55% discount ka, 233,000 ang makukuha mong kapital, ang makukuha mong discount lifetime. Ayan, meron din tayong lower. So, 49,000. Ang produkto mo is 98,000 kasi 50% ang discount mo lifetime. And then, of course, meron din tayong builder distributors na kung saan 21,000 ang kapital mo. Pero ang makukuha mong produkto is 38,000 kasi 45% lifetime discount ka na. Of course, sa lahat ng packages, dahil dropshipping tayo, so free shipping tayo sa lahat ng star packages na maa-avail mo. Pero good news dahil nga naging curious kayo na pwedeng-pwede ka palang magnegosyo ng maliit na kapital. Okay, so ang good news niyan, pwede kang mag-umpisa ng 2,000 or 2,150, that includes the shipping. So ang iNetwork account po ay merong shipment na 150 kaya ang babayad mo is 2,150. Now, you can start by being an affiliate of iConnect na kung saan ang benefit mo may product ROI ka kaagad na 2,994. Nakadepende yan sa produktong pipiliin mo. 30% lifetime discount ka sa lahat ng repurchases mo. At yan ang kikitain mo kapag nagbenta ka online. Kasi magkakaroon ka ng dashboard and online shop. At dahil provided dito lahat ng trainings, magkakaroon ka ng access. So instead of paying on trainings, dito lahat po libre at tinuturo dahil e-commerce expert ang ating may-ari. Okay? Now, kung may bumili sa'yo dahil nagkaroon ka ng sarili mong referral link, so kapag may bumili under sa link mo ng package ng iNetwork, magkakaroon ka ng 200 pesos referral fee on every sale of iNetwork affiliate account at dahil meron tayong sales match, so 500 kada sales match. At ang good news niyan, nag-umpisa ka sa maliit at pwedeng-pwedeng lumaki ang negosyo mo kasi upgradable siya to Star Network accounts. So Star accounts anytime, ready ka na. Pero kung gusto mo talagang seryosohin at para maging ma-unlock ang kitaan ng Star account package or ma-unlock lahat ng kitaan, okay, majority ng kitaan, okay, avail quick start package. So lifetime ka na instead of 30%, mas bigger na yung discount mo lifetime, 40%, and 10% pass up retail commission from all AI network affiliate na nag-avail under your community. Product ROI na matatanggap mo sa kapital mo na 9,150 is 13,000 more or less, no? Depende sa product na pipiliin mo. Access to all digital trainings online and offline, leadership trainings, community support, and of course, hindi lang yan, kundi syempre yung dashboard and online shop automation. Take note guys, automated tayo ha. Ibig sabihin wala ka na masyadong gagawin. Automated. Once na sinend mo sa client mo yung link mo, sila na bahala. Okay? Ang system na bahala. At ang good news niyan, road to upgrade incentives to avail car, travel, and etc. Kasi nga, naka-unlock na yung income mo to Star account, to all Star accounts. At dahil quick start package distributor ang inavail mo, eto mas madami yung pagpipilian mong products. And eventually, more winning products coming. Kasi nag-uumpisa pa lang tayo no? Nasa pioneering stage pa lang tayo. At dahil dyan, meron tayong active community support. Ang ating community ay merong sariling website na lahat ng trainings na na-miss mo, lahat ng trainings na gusto mong balikan, dito recorded at ikaw lang ang makaka-access. So, ibig sabihin, community members lang ang pwedeng mag-access sa ating sariling website. And lahat ng mga marketing materials provided. So, ibig sabihin, hindi mo na kailangang mag-isip, no? Copy-paste na lang. Tsaka kahit ng mga influencers, mga CEOs na may-ari ng natin. So, ayan, okay. Now,
Alam niyo ba kung ano yung
mga vloggers and influencers. At syempre, hindi lang yan, kumita na rin sila. Okay? Gaya ng sinabi ko, lifetime access to all training resources. So, hindi mo babayaran to kasi part ka na ng community. Isa yan sa privilege natin. So, exclusive trainings, even Facebook ads, automation, and content creation. Hindi mo na kailangang gumastos. Okay? Po-provide na yan. Lifetime. Okay? Lifetime, ma-enjoy mo siya. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumita ka na, matututo ka pa. And hindi lang yan, no? Yung free courses natin sa online, Zoom workshops, live workshop, and even face-to-face coaching, no? Kahit hanggang sa magkaroon ka na ng full-blown na e-commerce, kumbaga setups na online like TikTok, Lazada, Shopee. So, kung pinapangarap mo magkaroon ka ng ganyan at hindi mo alam kung paano mag-umpisa, ang good news yan, isa yan sa pinoprovide na training. So, and with our own active community support, napakaganda kasi mag-enjoy ka talaga dito. Kasi kasama na dito yung bonding, ano? So, again, kung quick start package holder ka, na nagbayad ka ng 9,150, ang retail discount mo is lifetime 40%. Ang retail pass up mo, nakikitain mo sa lahat ng nag-avail sa iyo ng iNetwork package is 10% sa iyo mapupunta yon. And direct bonus na 5% at pwede kang kumita ng up to 80,000 pesos monthly. Okay? And upgrade anytime. Yun ang maganda. 'Di ba? So, ibig sabihin, you can continuously grow with this program. So, pag-usapan natin yung 10% retail pass-up income. So, kapag nag-quick start package ka, lahat ng mga nag-avail sa ilalim mo na bumibili, nag-repeat purchase ng lahat ng produkto. So, let's say barley, 697 ng 30%. Ang price mo is 598, so the difference is 99.7 or almost 100 pesos per bottle. Imagine mo, sa isang bote, kumita ka ng 100 pesos. So, paano kung dumadami na yan? Kasi, kumbaga, hybrid yung ginawa mong promotion or ads, 'di ba? Pero, syempre, tuturuan tayo kung paano mag-automate. Syempre, no? Part yan ng ating growth. So, paano kung 100 yan ng iNetwork ang nagbenta? Or, either way, 'di ba, pwede kang kumita ng almost 100,000 sa lahat ng iNetwork na bumibili. Ngayon, siyempre, hindi lang 'yan dahil naka-unlock na ang kitaan, 'no, kapag may nag-avail ng star packages. So, 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star. So, may direct bonus ka from 350 to 10,850 depende sa star package na binili nila. Paano kung araw-araw may bumili? So, ibig sabihin pwede kang kumita ng malaki dito sa direct bonus pa lang, 'no? And at the same time, automated 'yan. Ngayon, another way to earn is sales match. Ito yung pinakamalaking kitaan. Siyempre, sa sales match income, kaya meron tayong extreme left link at extreme right link kasi nga bawat star account, merong points na kung saan kikitain mo, no? Kikitain mo yung points na yan at kapag nag-match yan, magiging pera yan. So, from 1 star account hanggang sa iNetwork account, syempre may corresponding na kitaan yan. So, ito yung illustration natin. So, sa 1 star to 1 star, nag-sales match yan, 700 pesos. 2 star to 2 star, nag-sales match yan, 2,100. 3 star to 3 star, 4,900. 4 star to 4 star, 10,500. And 5 star to 5 star, that is 21,000. Okay, now, guys, paano kung nag-quick start yan? Hindi lang 700, no? 1,200 unlock. So, ibig sabihin, ang quick start package, ang maximum income yan is 60, hindi pala 80, no? And then ang 2-star ay maximum income niyan is 120,000, ang 3-star is 280, ang 4-star is 600. Ngayon, ang maganda lang kapag na-reach mo na yung pinakamalaking kapital, which is 217,000, infinite na. So, ibig sabihin pwede kang kumita dito ng milyon in a month. So, ganun kaganda. So, ibig sabihin you are continuously growing. Ngayon, guys, ang pinakamalaking advantage and the reason bakit ka mag-upgrade from 3-star, 4-star, or 5-star ay itong pass-up commission na aabot ng up to 35%. Imagine mo sa isang produkto, 35% ang kikitain mo sa lahat ng iNetwork, tsaka quick start, tsaka 1-star at 2-star na nag-avail under your community, no? So, napaka-promising talaga. At hindi lang yung leadership income pa na 20%. And product dividends up to 45%, package dividend up to 45%, franchise dividend up to 45%. So, ganun kaganda. Eto, ma-enjoy na natin yung passive income, leverage income. Okay, so ito papakita ko lang sa inyo, hindi ko na iisahin. So kapag nag-avail ka ng 3-star, so 50% ang discount mo. Ibig sabihin lahat ng iNetwork, lahat ng Quick Start, at lahat ng 2-star account, kikitain mo potential, no, from 74 pesos per bottle hanggang 199 pesos per bottle. So ibig sabihin, pwede ka palang kumita dito ng daan-daang libo, no? Papaano kung talagang nag-expand, 'di ba? So, ibig sabihin kung nag 5-star ka pala, from iNetwork account, 2-star account, 3-star account, 4-star account ay pagkakakitaan mo yung pass up difference income ng bawat discount nila, 'di ba? Kasi from, ah, from 5% hanggang 30% ang pwede mong kitain sa lahat ng iNetwork package and Star account package. So, ito yung tinatawag na bayanihan or community support kasi kapag nag 3-star, 4-star at 5-star ka, lahat ng mga sumali sa'yo under your community, okay? Let's say kumita sila ng 200 pesos, 200,000 pesos kada isa. So may 20% ka. So ibig sabihin, how much is 20%? That's 40,000. Paano kung 10 sila na natulungan mo na kumita, 'di ba? So malaking bagay din 'yun. So ibig sabihin, leadership pa lang panalo na, 'di ba? So wala pa yung first way, second way, and third way, and fourth way to earn, 'di ba? So napakalaki talaga at napaka-promising talaga. So iba pa rin yung product dividends. Sa bawat bili, sa bawat gamit, at sa bawat benta ng produkto from first level hanggang fifth level, no? Pagkakitaan mo pa 'yan, no? That is on top of pass-up commission. 'Pag bumili sa'yo, under sa'yo, so from up to fifth level. So kahit di mo na kilala, kahit di mo na nakakausap, no? Kikita ka sa lahat ng benta, sa lahat ng bili nila, at sa lahat ng ginagamit nila, kikita ka ng up to 40, from 5% up to 45% dividends. So may mga corresponding commissions tayo diyan. At the same time, hindi lang 'yan, okay, package dividends. Sa lahat ng Star account package applicable siya, no? From 5% to 45%. At hindi lang 'yan, guys, kung merong sumali sa'yo under your network from first level to fifth level na franchise owner or franchisee, guys, sa bawat kape nila, no, sa bawat bili nila ng beverages, meron kang kikitain kasi ang company nag-allot ng 20 pesos dividend per coffee rebates. So, yun ang pinakamaganda. Imagine mo kahit piso-piso, 2 piso, no? 3 piso, 5 piso, 9 piso, no? Kung volume naman ang pumapasok at kung seryoso ka talaga at gusto mong ma-unlock ang kitaan from iNetwork account to Star account package, so go for quick start. Kung ready ka na, 9,150 lang yan. And then eventually, mag-upgrade ka lang. Good news, free shipping na yan. Okay? Pero kung nag-iisip ka pa at gusto pong malaman at gusto mo pang makasiguro, okay? While talking to the person na kausap mo dito, okay? So, hanggang sa nag-isip ka pa, no? Or limited pa yung resources mo, ito lang ang kaya mo, you can start right away, no? 2,000 ang package ng iNetwork, lagyan mo lang ng 150 na shipping, makakapag-umpisa ka na ng e-commerce with dropshipping business mo. At 'pag kumita ka na, that's the time na mag-decide ka na mag-upgrade, okay? So, you can start by simply, clicking the link, okay? After this video, okay, go back to the link and mag-fill up ka na at magbayad ka na dun sa automated na processing natin, okay? Good luck and see you around. Thank you.